I think that my best experience when working on a team was my introduction to engineering class my freshman year. During our lab sessions, we were split up into groups of random students to work on our labs throughout the semester. Rather than right away starting off and getting right into the lab, we took about the first 5 minutes to get to know each other in our group. We introduced our names, our interests, and the best way that we learned. Going into the different labs, with the knowledge that I gained getting to know my group mates, I knew that Jared learned best by taking notes. So when we would perform different experiments, he would be the one who would take the notes. I always knew that I learned best by performing different calculations. So when we split up into different parts of the lab, I would perform the calculations and then explain them to my group mates. We had a very high level of respect within the group. We all were able to learn the content that we were being taught in the class very well, and we ended up becoming very good friends out of it because we took the time to get to know each other and to work on the labs and really learn the content as well as have fun. I would say that my worst experience working in a group would be the opposite. In chemistry, we were divided into random groups again, and rather than getting to know each other, we all just dove into the project in the labs without getting to know each other. We didn't communicate about what we were doing. We all were doing the same thing at the same time without any communication. We wouldn't discuss the best way to do it. We would just do it individually. It wasn't a very good learning environment. We weren't able to discuss topics through and understand them completely because we worked individually. It also made the work overlap because we would all be doing it individually rather than doing it together, so we would be doing the same lab multiple times at the same time. Something we could have done better was to communicate, to figure out what each person could do, and also discuss through the different lab procedures to be able to do it to its best.